Welcome to Literacy Lessons with Mrs. K. I'm so glad you're here today. This is the letter O. Can you say O? Good job. All letters come in pairs. There is a capital letter and a lowercase letter. Some letters can look different, but still be the same letter. O says O as in octopus and O as in oval. Can you say ah? Good job. Can you say O? Good job. Let's look at some words that begin with the letter O. Ostrich, open, otter, olive, ocean. Do you hear the ah sound? Do you hear the O sound? Let's write the letter O together. Start at the top. Big curve. Keep going. Stop. Let's write the lowercase o together. Start at the top. Little curve. Keep going. Stop. Good job. Let's write the O is for octopus. O is for oat. O is a letter that loves to float. Open and round, come sing with me. O is everything it can be. O, 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 outstanding and bright. O, 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 glowing with its light. With a cheer and a grin, let it ring. O is such a wonderful thing. Let's remember what we learned today. O is for open, orange, otter, ostrich, olive, and ocean. Good job today, friends. See you next time for another literacy lesson with Mrs. K.